Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. We did FX right here. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys exactly how I traded a 10,000 naira account to 100,000 naira account within 3 days, trading only 80 USD. Even using the weekly outlook on 80 USD I posted last week. And yeah, I'll show you guys exactly how I did it, my lot size, my trade management, and even my risk management on that trade. So you guys watch to the end, make sure you watch the video, learn, and don't miss out on my weekly outlook any other time again. So see you guys in the video and peace.
Yo, so welcome back, guys. So in this video, as I said, I will be showing you guys exactly how I traded a 10,000 naira account to 100,000 naira within 3 days on ADUSD, just only ADUSD. So yeah, make sure you watch to the end, guys, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, like the video. So let's get straight into the video. So if you guys check my weekly outlook on ADUSD, the one I posted last week, Monday, you guys will know exactly what I'm about to show you, guys. So you guys know exactly what the analysis. This was the initial analysis that we made that will be expressing itself from the supply zone right here. I'm talking about this one, right? That will be expressing itself from that supply zone. So now let's get straight into the 45 minutes time frame. Let me show you guys the supply. Let me show you guys the supply. The supply, I think it's on 1 hour. Okay. Just trying to look for the supplies that I showed you guys that day. Okay, yeah. Here is it. Here's the supply zone. Right. Here was the supply zone that we used. All right. That was the supply zone. So why do we use the supply zone? Or why are we looking for sell in the first place? For those that don't haven't watched the video, let me re-explain. So we're actually selling 80 years for the week because we are very much bearish, right? I actually analyze the trade or analyze this pair from the weekly time frame, showing you guys exactly how I do my top-down analysis using smart money concept and how simple and effective it is. All right, so we actually bearish and we need to follow the trend, right? We need to follow the market, and you guys can see AUSD is still very much selling, but I have taken my profit already. Right, it's very selling real hard. So the reason why we're selling is because this is supply zone that break or that give the recent structure. Right, this was a supply zone. So why am I using the supply zone? We're using the supply zone because it's a very clear one, it has imbalance, and it has a very nice inducement right before it. Okay, so right, and I made mention or I said something about the suppliers that we have above this one too. What I said about that is because we have a psychological level around us, this supply zone right here, and which price might use to give probably a week above this current supply zone that we're able to use. And yeah, that's basically why I actually shifted my stop loss to above the stop loss right here, and that's around 70 pips stop loss, right? I am risking my 10,000 naira on this setup alone and praise it end well. So, right, when the market actually mitigated this supply zone, right, when the market mitigated the supply zone, what did I do? What is my plan for the trade? I got my first entry exactly after the mitigation, or exactly in the mitigation of the supply zone, right? In the mitigation right here, placing my stop loss right here, right above the second supply zone, right there, right above that supply zone. That's where I've got my first entry on this pair, targeting the low, right, targeting this last low right here. This was just my initial take profit actually. Okay, this was my initial take profit. Is where I'm targeting. So right, I actually used for the first entry. If you guys check how the screenshot, I'll put the screenshot in the screen. I actually used a 0.04 at first. Right, my first entry was 0.04, and it's for the high 0.04. I was risking 7,000 naira out of the account. So that's basically 70% of that account, right? Because 0.04 with 70 pips stop loss, that's basically 7,000 or 7.5 thereabout. So that's my first risk, right? That's my first risk. So praise the market actually give us a very nice drop after the so, but then after the so we actually have a very nice internal change of character. What is internal change of character? This is the internal change of character right here where I marked out that internal choke, right? Something like this. This internal choke, and then we have another supply zone right here in the 15 minutes or 5 minutes thereabout. So yeah, guys, this is the 15 minutes internal chain of character that I was talking about. So you guys can see the market actually created this low before the re-mitigation of the supply zone. So after the supply zone, market came back down to take the low. So right, that's internal change of character because I can't really call that a very valid change of character because why? It can still serve as an internal range liquidity whereby the market will come mitigate the supply zone because the supply zone, I'm sorry, this demand zone. Why? Because this demand zone take out liquidity, it has imbalance and it even breaks structure. So what we're saying, the market might still respect this up this demand zone right here. So I call that internal change of character. So I got my entry by with the internal of character at the supply zone, right? Why do I use that supply zone? Because it has a very nice triangle liquidity and a very nice inducement, right? So I got my second entry from this supply zone right here, as you guys can see in the in the screenshot. Got my second entry right here, and then I waited for the market. So I was actually very, very much curious for the market in this demand zone right here. I'm very, very curious. Even you guys can see after the investigation, market's cool back up, but then I'm still very holding because I am expecting a very nice sell. Right, that's where psychology comes in. Very much, a very, very strong psychology. Right, if it's a mere person, they could have closed this trade probably. Yeah, just close it out. But then I would the trade because I was expecting a very long term sell. Right. So then I keep holding. I have a little patience. I entered the trade around probably on Wednesday, and then I just closed profit now. And today now we are actually around 4 o'clock on Friday, right? As of the time I'm recording this video right now. Yeah. So after that, market actually sell along a very like after the market ranged a little bit. Again, now give us a very nice change of character, like a real change of character right here, right? A very real change of character. So yeah, in the second entry, I entered the 0.02, putting my stop loss at this high right now, and I think I'm risking something. Oh, sorry. I think I'm risking something around 17 pips also, probably 17 or 16 pips, even not 15. Okay, yeah, 15 pips. I was risking 50 pips. So 15 pips was just 3,000 naira. 15 pips for 0.02. That's around 3,000 naira. So, right, I risked 7,000 naira for the first entry, risked 3,000 naira for the second entry. That's basically 10,000 naira as a whole. So you guys can see I'm risking 10,000 naira, 100% of the account in one trade, but then not in one single position. All right. So this is basically what all the psychology about behind this trade. So I held. So reason me because of my margin, because of my margin rate, I couldn't enter another trade again because why after this change of character, after this external change of character, I'm supposed to get another entry from this suppliers or from the 5 minutes or 3 minutes suppliers right here. Right. But then I didn't enter because I don't want to, you know, got taken out if market give me a deep a deep retracement, right? Even before the market reach my stop loss, I'll be taken out, right? Because my money or my leverage or even my margin will not be able to accept or to adapt to that retracement. So I couldn't get my entry right there. But then I am very, very fine because I have two entries already. I'm very, very, very fine. So yeah, I actually held the trade for like 2 to 3 days, almost 3 days, right? And then I was taking target. I was looking for my I was I actually target this low right here. This low was my take profit, which is somewhere around 150 probably. Let's do it from here. What was the our target, right? Okay, yeah, 144 pips thereabout. That's what I was actually. That's basically my plan, and well, the market actually moved well. So if you guys check my weekly outlook on ADOZ, I'm very, very much sure that you guys too should be floating very, very deep profits right now, and yeah, that's basically how I did it. I'll show you guys the screenshot of everything, the withdrawal of 85K that I made. Show you guys post the screenshot on the screen for you guys to see. So that's what happened, and that's basically how I traded a 10,000 naira account to 85. Sorry, $100,000, 100,000 naira account. So yeah, see you guys next week, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video. Subscribe to my channel, guys, and see you in the next one. See you in the next week outlook, and don't miss out on the next outlook I'll be doing, so you guys will win exactly as high I'm winning. So see you guys in the next video, guys.